Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel again. I'm here again, Team Buddies Vlog. Kasi yan, kakarating lang galing work. So yan. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking lahat ng videos na i-upload pa lang. So yan, ito ang aking chunakis. So, ito yung aking bunso. So, she's 2 years old. And she's still breastfeeding until now. No. Mama loves you so much. No. Look at your hands. Oh, it's dirty. Mama loves you so much. I love you. Did you hungry? You hungry? You hungry? So yan, iniwan ko yan siya maghapon. Tapos maghapon kakain siya ng kanin, tapos dede siya ng formula. Yan, tinitimpla. Ayan, tapos pag uwi ko, ayan, tsaka po yan siya didede sa akin. Once a day lang po siya na dede kasi nag-work po ako in the whole day. So, yan po siya. Oh, don't do that. Oh, don't. You're hungry, my baby? I love you. Oh. Baby ni mama. Say hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. And welcome back to my channel again. I'm Team Buddies Vlog. With my mama. So yun guys, kumusta ang inyong araw? So, dito sa amin, sa Naik Cavite. Yan. Umuulan. So, yan siya. Wala na, daddy siya sa kabila pero hindi na lumilipat ng pwesto. Ganyan yan siya. Tsura na. Nantok na ako guys. I'm dead. Ay, titay. Oh, touch your nose. Oh no, my small nose is yayang. Did you drink your medicine na? Drink your medicine? Drink your medicine? Oh, just wait here. I'll get your medicine. Okay? Oh, wala may kutsara.
Ano mo kay Lumil? Andiyan na si Jinsan eh.
I'll get your medicine. So yun, that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell para laging updated sa aking mga na-upload na videos. So thank you so much guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.